I was not planning on making this video at all, but over the last few days, a unique opportunity on LinkedIn has opened up, and honestly, it's blowing my mind. So in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that's perfect if you're looking to get clients and leads from the platform, if you're a coach, a consultant, or a service provider. Because in the last 48 hours, this strategy alone has generated already hundreds of thousands of views, thousands of leads, and this morning, the first $10,000 contract without a sales call, without a sales DM. So I'm going to show you what's working right now on LinkedIn. This is one of those videos that I want you to check out. So let's go, guys. Well, guys, so as you can see in the screen here, in the last 7 days, I've been able to generate over 440,000 views on LinkedIn. So this is just organic views, not a single dollar of paid or like advertisement has been spent on this, and which is cool, right? But you might ask yourself, like, okay, views, great, but what does it lead into? So if I go to our CRM system here, you can see that from Friday, 750 leads, on Saturday, 2,700, and on Sunday, 730. Now it's Monday today. It's Monday, February 23rd. So there's a little bit of a delay. Plus on LinkedIn, I'm massively capped right now by the number of messages I can send. So right now it's above around like 4,000 leads from this spike, but I'm assuming that we'll be easily going to like 10,000 leads from this one single spike. And not just that, because like I said in the intro, like this morning I woke up to the first deposit being paid. So somebody got into the funnel, decided to, yeah, that this is a great opportunity for him to work together. And as you can see, 5:17 a.m., he paid the deposit, fully automated, no sales call, no sales DM, and this is a $10,000 contract. So guys, how am I getting this number of views over the last few days in a period where everyone is kind of complaining about the LinkedIn algorithm being dead and stuff like that? And I wouldn't necessarily disagree with that, because as you can see before, my impressions were kind of okay, but over the weekend I just massively spiked that. So what has been happening, guys? Like, I don't know about you, but I spend quite some time these days on Twitter, just figuring out what kind of the meta is, the trends, because I feel Twitter is very much ahead of LinkedIn. So what I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you 3 examples, 2 from Twitter and 1 from LinkedIn, that I show you how I can use other viral posts in order to get results like this. Because I don't know how your dashboard looks, but 250,000 impressions on one post, 51,000, 33,000, which I think is still pretty outdated because this post is from this morning. So it's like easily coming up to like $120,000 to 120,000 impressions as well. So this weekend I was scrolling on Twitter and I found this post. Claude is the smartest AI right now, but 90% of people prompted like ChatGPT. That's why I made the Claude Mastery Guide, la la la. Boom, 290,000 views. So I saw this post and I was like, cool, this is very fucking simple to make. This is something that I can talk about as well. So let's use this. So I went crafting it and I posted this on Saturday afternoon. Here's my post. So of course I didn't copy it one-to-one. Like, that's not what we do, right? But I used the idea. So this guy talks about how Claude is the smartest AI right now, but 90% people prompted like GPT. And I'm like, okay, Claude beats ChatGPT for getting leads on LinkedIn, because all I do on LinkedIn, I talk about lead generation and client acquisition. So I need to massage it into what I talk about. Then I'm like, hey, I like the idea of a Claude Mastery Guide. Get access below. Claude is the smartest AI right now. Then I add some specificity, because this is literally what I do. Like, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I built resources like this with Claude. But I just liked these lines. I used this one. That's why I wrote the Claude Mastery Guide. Boom. I created this very simple visual, 5,000 comments. And these are all like people just literally raising their hands, wanting the resource. And I know that the people that are interested in these resources are high intent, high qualified leads, which already showed you with the payment or the deposit that came in this morning. So you can see there is a massive backlog because I can't send more DMs these days. So if you replied on this post, you have some patience. But 250,000 impressions. Imagine how much money I need to spend to get that number of eyeballs with paid advertisement, right? One single post, and it's absolutely ripping. So that's one example. The other example here is that also on Twitter, I found this guy. He was like talking about a mega prompt, how about you can turn Claude into Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, and other viral marketing legends. I'm like, okay, cool. That's kind of nice. He's sharing the insights here. And again, I'm like, okay, I can use that, but again, package in such a way that it becomes valuable for my specific audience, because by no means I'm saying, hey, copy someone else and just drop it. No, 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 that's absolutely not what I'm saying. Like, we need to quote unquote steal the idea and use that into our packaging, our positioning. So here is my post. Hire Hormozy, Gary Vee, and Seth Godin for $0 with Claude. I codified their brains into one mega prompt, steal it for free. I know a big part of my audience are marketeers, are coaches, consultants, so they know these names. Hormozy, Gary Vee, and Seth Godin. So I'm using that. Like, I'm borrowing their credibility, right? So there is like the discrepancy between, okay, these people are making 8, 9, 10, 11 figures, and but I'm giving it away for $0. Plus, I know currently on LinkedIn, and this is some alpha that I'm sharing with you, the meta is Claude, guys. So that's why in this video you will see me talk about that a lot. Well, here I just signal, okay, if you want this, steal it for free. Boom. Some visual. I created this with Nano Banana, one of my favorite image generation tools right now. Boom, 1,300 comments, bit less, 51,000 impressions. But again, these are 1,300 people raising their hands of this lead magnet, and I know that I get them into my orbit, and I'm able to nurture them over time, whether with YouTube videos or emails, anything of value that comes to them. Right. So those are the two examples. You might be thinking, great, Jesse, Twitter looks great, but I don't have that to my availability, or I don't use it. Perfect. But you're using LinkedIn, I assume. So this is an example. This guy, Daniel Bustamante, make sure to follow him. Free shout out if he's watching. His lead magnets are just super good. Like, he just really understands his game. So I learn a lot from him. So he talks about, okay, I built a lead magnet skill pack for Claude. Here's what inside. So I saw this post and I'm like, okay, that's A, exactly what I'm doing, and B, all right, something that I can do, but then in my flavor, my sauce for my audience, right? Here's the visual he uses. Okay, cool. And I saw that he had 2,271 comments. So I'm like, okay, this works. This guy definitely cracked the code with that. And I'm like, okay, cool. I can talk about something similar, but then in my flavor. Claude turns you into an elite LinkedIn marketer. I compile my top 10 skills for lead gen, get access. So as you can see, he talks about lead magnet skill pack. And I'm like, okay, I talk about 10 skills for lead gen. Similar, but not the same, right? So I have these skills built into Claude. If you're not familiar with what skills are basically just a setup in Claude that it runs a specific thing. So you can basically see as like an intern that's just his or her role is just to create visual content. So it knows exactly what to do, so you don't have to repeat yourself. Like a skill file tells AI your standards, install it once, run it forever. So as you can see, this post went on this morning, like 7 hours ago. Let me refresh it because it's pretty going viral again. 738 comments, 35,000 impressions. Pretty good, right? So now I have all these assets that are just like getting traction. As you can see, since the beginning of this video, already 2,000 more impressions, just free eyeballs, right? And that's that. That's just a very simple way how you can, quote unquote, manufacture virality on LinkedIn these days. You figure out or you find examples that are working, whether it's on a different platform or on the same platform. You think about, okay, how can I use this in my tone of voice? What can I create from this? And then how can I share that with my audience? So this is always the first part, guys, like the packaging kind of thing. It's like, okay, this is the post, the visual, so that's cool. But at the same time, of course, we need to give the asset away, right? So if I go back to this hyper viral post, like I talk about the cloud mastery guide. Okay, cool. Now we're living in a wonderful time, guys. Like back in the days, we had to write this from scratch, but now of course we have the opportunity to leverage AI for that. So again, if I go to my Claude page here, this is the prompt that I was running on Saturday. So I've built out all kinds of skills in Claude. I'm pretty deep into this thing, and I'm not going to talk about that in this video. But the Claude engine knows exactly my ICP, the content buyer psychology, and then I'm like, hey, build this Claude mastery guide, do this, have an invitation to what we do, and then it was just running a few things. I'm like, hey, I don't want the PDF, I want the doc with the exact same formatting. And within 10 minutes, guys, I had this guide, which is very good because it talks exactly like the number one strategy that makes Claude reign supreme, which is very much what I talk about here. And I have this asset that I can then give away to my audience. Of course, I downloaded it at a doc file, and then I made some tweaks left, right, and center. But this is how I create value out of thin air for my audience. Because for me, this is just so simple. But my audience is like, hey, this is helping me a lot. And I can see this on the results as well. So now I'm not telling you to do lead gen on Claude if that's not your thing, right? But hopefully I can give you some inspiration how you can find examples from other people, use that in your tone of voice, share that on LinkedIn, like generate all this attention, at the same time start sales conversations and just create revenue, right? Well, guys, if you made it till the end of this video, thanks for watching. But also, I would love to invite you. So check out the description under this video to watch the video, because every month I'm taking on a small group of experts to build this exact lead gen system for LinkedIn. So we go over your positioning, your content, your messaging, everything that you need to have in place in order to turn LinkedIn into your #1 client acquisition channel. So we cover things like cloud workflows, lead magnets, virality, like all the stuff that I basically covered in this video. We do this together. So if you're interested in checking that out, hit the link in the bio. It takes you to a video, a little bit of an explainer video of like seeing how this actually works. And then, yeah, if that's interesting to you, make sure to check out the page, fill in the application form, and then hope to hear from you very, very soon. All right, guys, peace out. See you next time.